Catan Dice Game, Island 2, How to Play. To learn the rules for Island 1, check out this video, as most of Island 1's rules apply to this game, except for the following changes. The object of the game is to be the first player to get 10 points. Give each player a sheet with Island 2 face up. When you start the game, the first player only rolls 3 dice. Then, the following player adds 1 more die to the total until you get to 6 dice, which is used for the remainder of the game. Settlements, cities, and knights can be built in any order. However, settlements and cities must still be adjacent to a built road. 2 knights are required in the desert spaces in order to obtain a wild resource joker. Each time you build a settlement, mark off 1 point on your card, and each time you build a city, mark off 2 points. Roads and knights do not count as points by themselves. However, you can use them to acquire points from the longest road and the largest army. If you are the first player to build a road on the gray shaded building site, you obtain the longest road, which is worth 2 points. Mark it with a check. If another player builds a longer road at any point in the game, not counting branches, then they obtain the longest road, and you must cross it out on your sheet, losing the 2 points. The largest army is similar. The first player to build 3 knights places a small check next to the largest army worth 2 points. If another player builds more knights than them, then they must cross off the largest army and lose the points. Using resource jokers does not reduce your number of built knights. The game ends as soon as one player gets 10 points. Then they are the winner.